This is one of the world's largest religious gatherings. There are over 1 million people who walk more than 200 kilometers, and there are no organizers, no chaos here. Just pure devotion. Sounds impossible, but it happens every year in Maharashtra. And it's called the Wari. The Wari is a 700-year-old tradition that starts from Dehu and Alandi, the hometowns of Saint Tukaram and Jnaneshwar. They carry palkis of these saints and travel all the way to Pandharpur, the home of Lord Vithala. This is one of the most disciplined mass gatherings on earth. Each group is called a Dindi, has its own rules, its own rhythm, no external enforcement, just deep-rooted belief. When this Wari reaches Pune, the entire city pauses. Kids join in, even working professionals become Warkaris. It is so unique, it is nominated for UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage. It is not just a journey, it's faith on foot. The rhythm of the dhol, the chants of Vithala Vithala, the saffron flags fluttering in the monsoon wind, Pune becomes a pilgrim itself. The Wari is also a reminder that even in today's fast-paced world, there is still space for stillness, surrender, and for soul.
धर्म जाति प्रांत भाषा वेश सारे संपुदे धर्म जाति प्रांत भाषा वेश सारे संपुदे एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी रंगुदे रमलो संसारात खरा ऐक रखमाईच्या बरा तरी जीव लागी तुझ्या पायरी नाव दारी उभा माझ्या तुझे नाव तुझे रूप धारी जीवाला तुझी आस गाला गरी जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आम्हाला करांची तू माऊली जगा